Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the key battery in a MK8 GTI or Golf R, so 2021 and up with this style key. So first you're going to want to get a small pocket screwdriver, just something with like a small end on it, like this little flathead screwdriver. You use that to get the key battery out. So grab it like this, take the this little button here and pull out the mechanical key. I just use this because we're pushing up this back cover just not to scratch the edge or anything here. So I'll use that to push the back cover up from the inside there, and then I'll grab it with my thumb and kind of pull the cover off. It comes off pretty easily. Now it's a CR2032 battery if you're looking for a battery to order. But take your pocket screwdriver now and just go in this little spot right here and get behind it and kind of pull up and out. And that'll pop your key out. You want to take your battery, positive side goes back towards you, facing like this. And you're going to kind of take the battery and put it in like that. So I'm going to push it inward and downward, and it kind of just pops in under these two clips. So you got those two clips in there, you're good. Put your cover back on, just kind of pushes back together, and your mechanical key back in. So it clips like that. And you can see this little red light right here when you press the unlock or lock button. You want to test it on your car, should be all good. But if this light doesn't light up when you press the unlock button, then either you install the battery backwards or you have a bad key. Also, if you've seen any corrosion inside there, then you may have a bad key, may have gotten dropped in the water or something. All right, I want to thank you for watching this video today. I hope you found this video helpful.